zAgileConnect, driving efficiency for customer support and collaboration with engineering. Your customer support team is driven by two key requirements. 1, meeting SLA compliance, and 2, exceeding customer satisfaction requirements. Tight collaboration between teams using industry de facto applications such as Salesforce Service Cloud for managing customer interactions and Atlassian Jira for managing software issues is critical for driving customer success and achieving customer satisfaction. The reality is, customer support is tediously tracking support cases in Salesforce Service Cloud, while at the same time collaborating across multiple applications such as Jira, Slack, and email. Meanwhile, the engineering team is blindly debugging known issues and resolving those in Jira, but often lacking required context from the customer. Too often, collaboration is out of sync. Teams are slow to respond or simply unaware of any pending issues due to these challenges. 1. Inefficient cross-team collaboration. 2. Manual copy and paste of Jira issues from Salesforce cases or other custom objects, for example, feature requests and RFIs. 3. Quickly and reliably syncing Jira issues with Salesforce cases. 4. Driving automation in Salesforce workflows based upon Jira updates. 5. Getting updates back to the customer as quickly as possible. In other words, customers are frustrated and customer satisfaction is, well, it's not great. Introducing zAgile and zAgileConnect. Founded in 2006, zAgile's mission is to integrate teams, applications, processes, and knowledge as a bridge to customer success. We developed zAgileConnect to provide deep, seamless interoperability between Salesforce Service Cloud and Jira. It delivers feature-rich, bidirectional integration that is easy to install and deploy right out of the box. zAgileConnect is the top-rated Salesforce and Jira integration solution on AppExchange. It increases support team efficiency by making it easy to search, browse, and track the status of cases and issues. By providing cross-team collaboration through commenting and reporting features, and by facilitating workflow automation based on events, such as when Jira issues are resolved, so customers can be notified in real time. zAgileConnect's powerful, bidirectional integration enables escalating and sending customer tickets to engineering, collaborating with engineering towards investigation and resolution, providing customers with updates on their tickets as efficiently and quickly as possible for quick turnaround, and performance metrics within Salesforce reports on SLA compliance based on engineering response times. zAgileConnect's cross-functional collaboration capabilities let everyone keep working the way they're used to working, within their own respective application, while improving customer service and satisfaction. So stop cutting and pasting from one application to another. Stop wondering if cases are stalled in the service queue. Stop missing communications between your teams. zAgileConnect empowers your team to work efficiently on Salesforce cases, to track case status and corresponding issues, to collaborate within support and with engineering and other teams. All out of the box, all set up within an hour. So why not start increasing customer support team speed and customer satisfaction by starting your 30-day risk-free trial at zAgile.com.